Hello friends, in this video we will create the interesting background of this image with the options of the Adobe Photoshop. So let's start with the pen tool and then click on the path to select this part of image. Select this girl with this pen tool and select the part of this girl very carefully with this pen tool to make the background of this image beautiful. So just firstly select this image very carefully and try to select each part slowly to select this image, and then click on the image right button of mouse and select this option make selection and enter the value here 2 or 3. Click OK. You will see image selected, and then go in layer, in new option, click on this option layer via copy, or you can use the shortcut key Control Z, Control Z, and you will see a layer of that selection is created. And then after select the background to make the background attractive or better. So go in first filter option and then give the blur effect to this image. Use the smart blur option and increase the some radius from here and increase the some threshold option here, and then click OK to give the smart blur effect to this image. Then go again in this filter option, pixelate, select this option and give the Mosaic this effect to this image and increase some cell size or increase some cell size from here like up to 9 points, and then click OK. So you will see your image will look like this, and then go again in filter and then go in this option again by pixelate and then click on the crystallize option to give some crystallize effect. Increase the cell size from here up to 10 and then click OK. So now the image will look like this, and then after give some distortion effect. Use this distortion effect, go in pinch option to give some distortion effect and enter the amount here 55% and then click OK to give it pinch effect. So I think you understand. And then after giving this effect, go in layer, click on new adjustment layer and then select the gradient map option to create the new layer, gradient layer. Click OK. You can enter the name here to set background as a gradient map, or you can continue with the similar name, then click OK. So select from here gradient option, click here and select the multicolor from here, then click OK. So your image will look like this, and then you will see in this layer window this layer gradient option come here, and then you will change the mode from here to make it more attractive. Give color dodge option, or you can give the overlay option. So like this, and it's a nice effect. Color dodge. Give the color dodge effect to this gradient layer, and then after you can give the more beautiful effect to this image. Go here in elliptical tool, click here ellipse tool and create some ellipse here like this, one big and one small and one another small and one other small like this. And after that, before creating this, so we will just follow these step backward, remove all these actions recently done from here, and too much backward, use this step forward. And before using this option, the ellipse tool, first select this option shape layer, just to create the shape layer, and select the color from here of this shape we are creating, brown color. You can give the any brown or dark brown color from here, and then after create these circles from here, this. So I think you understand how to create these circles like this. And after that, hide these layers, layer 1 and this gradient layer and background layer, and only you will see our ellipse will be visible. And after that you have to use this option merge visible, shortcut key shift control plus E to merge all these ellipse, and then after you can activate other layer options. So you will see all these shape we have created, ellipse shape merge, and then give them some here overlay effect. You can give overlay effect, or you can give the screen effect also, or you can give the color one. And so it's a very light, give them multiple color. You can give the multiple color or darken to make some more attractive, and then create some copy of this layer using the layer via copy, shortcut key control J, and put these copy layers here, and then create again, use shortcut key control J and put this layer here. So okay, again use control J, create another shape and put that here, and you will see this is very attractive background created by us. And after that, merge all layers, use this option flatten image. So all the layers will be merged in this layer window. So you will see that, and it will become a one image. And after that, finally completing this image, give some from here render lens flare, give lens flare and put that lens here, and brightness 100%, and select 105 prime and click OK. You will see our image will look like this. So it's a final image we have created with this Adobe Photoshop options.